Hello folks, I'm going to show you how I make some ruins out of foam. And I'm using these foam corner pieces that I've collected. And I'm using hot glue. And here I'm actually scoring the foam with a pencil to do some stone detail on the foam. And then I put the pieces together to form archways. And the way I do it is I add little sticks to the foam, and these serve as anchor points so that when you put the foam together it's nice and strong. And I use hot glue for that. Here I'm making a platform, kind of a ruined platform, and I'm cutting up the foam because I want to have a little stairwell in between there. So there's the hole I cut with an X-Acto knife. Then I cut my pieces of foam to form the little stairwell. And there's the little stairwell on the platform. And then, of course, I'm going to add an archway to that platform. And I score the foam to make my stone detail, as I did with the archways. And then I attach the archway to the platform by using those little anchors. And there it is. There's the piece that I envisioned. Next, I make some stairs. And so I want to have some stairs so that models have access to various parts of the ruins. You can see me there putting some archways together randomly. There's the platform again, as I'm gluing things together. And numerous kinds of archways. Here I'm making a tower, and I added all of the little battlements to the tower. And there is a catapult that I will be painting that will probably end up as part of the terrain. And here is one possible setup for the ruins. These pieces are all modular, so I can set them up any way I want for the game. And again, I found this old eagle that was part of a flagpole. And I'm using it to adorn the top of a temple. And here's another view of the ruins. So as you can see, I'm putting everything together. Now there still needs to be a lot of work, right? There's a lot of possible combinations for these ruins. And so this is a work in progress, folks. So stay tuned for more.